And step 5 is to never crank your neck. Resist the urge to take both hands and torque your neck past its normal range of motion. I'm going to ask you to stop this entirely. It's the highest forced, lowest control movement that you can do to your neck. And it's the type of movement that is most likely to cause an issue with your neck over time. So do these 5 steps, and the good news is most of the urges to crack your neck really start to die out quite quickly. Most of my patients report that they notice that they don't feel the urge to crank their neck anymore after about 2 weeks.